Hey YouTube, guys, we're looking at another mobile home that we may potentially purchase. If you're considering investing in mobile homes, this is the channel for you. We come across deals like this all of the time. Guys, this is a 1999, I believe. You can see that they left all of the junk in here, which is, it's a good thing because we can negotiate on the price about that. So let's kind of walk through here. They're leaving some of the stuff. We still see washer and dryer. Lots of cabinet space. This home is nice. Large bedroom. Again, not discouraged by any of the junk. We like when we see this so we can negotiate on the price. See, they kind of put a cloth foot tub in here. I think a handicapped person was living here, and I always see they did some work up here. Must have been leaking or something. So these are the things that you have to look for. We always check the floors, see it's solid. We always look at the ceiling. Carpet, stuff like that. We just check out all of these things. That's important for us to inspect these things. I want you guys to drop in the comments what you think this mobile home is worth. How much you think they're selling this home for? Because I see a lot of people that come and comment that I live in an area where you can't get homes under $10,000. So I'd love for you guys to tell me what you think this home is worth, how much they're asking for it. I'd love to hear from you. Look at this refrigerator, nice fridge. I believe the power is still on. Yes, they still left food in here. So, yep, stove, power, all these things are still on. Window units. Again, has solid ceilings all throughout, no leaks, besides that spot we saw in the room. These are all things that we're looking for. This looks like the unit is bad. Well, kind of looks like it, but I'm not sure. Has a bed in here. Holes in the wall. Another bathroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, the floors are solid. No leaks in the ceiling. So this is overall, this is a nice home. We make a nice rental, or want to wholesale it to somebody. Again, guys, if you're interested in mobile home investing, you see this rip right here on the wall, but this is nothing. All these little knick-knack things, this is minor repairs. But if you're interested in mobile home investing, now is the time to jump into it. We're offering our mobile home investing course. The link will be in the description. We're doing a Black Friday sale. It's normally $1,400, nearly $1,497, but we're offering it for Black Friday only for $149. So jump on that deal quick because we will be taking it down soon. Again, the link is in the description where we go through all of this. We tell you how to negotiate these deals, what to look for, how to get these deals at lower prices. So we'd love for you to check it out. If that's something that you're interested in, if you want to invest in mobile homes, definitely check out the links in the description. So.
Hey guys, I'm walking around the mobile home too, and I just wanted to add this. You might want to jump on the course right now because we don't know if we ever going to do it this low again.
Right.
So I just wanted to add that.
And it's over 6 hours of content.
Lots
you get
of content.
Agreements and
you'll be getting a wealth of information.
Yes.
And we don't know again if we ever gonna do it this low again.
Yes,
this is
so-
the first time ever.
Right.
So this is really a steal.